Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 21st, 2026, and we're diving into Teledyne Technologies' fourth quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Teledyne's performance, especially given their record-breaking results this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Teledyne Technologies reported net sales of $1,612 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, marking a 7.3% increase compared to last year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's impressive, especially considering the challenging market conditions. The growth was driven by strong performance across their segments, particularly in aerospace and defense electronics, which saw a 40.4% increase in sales. This contributed significantly to their overall revenue growth.
And what about their profitability?
Teledyne's adjusted earnings per share for the quarter was $6.33, which is a 14.1% increase from last year and above the forecasted EPS of $5.83. Their operating margin also improved to 23.9%, up from 22.7% last year, indicating effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the performance of Teledyne's key segments?
Absolutely. The digital imaging segment reported sales of $850.5 million, a 3.4% increase, driven by higher sales of infrared imaging components and defense applications. The aerospace and defense electronics segment was a standout, with a 40.4% sales increase, largely due to recent acquisitions like Transponder Tech and DD Scientific.
How are these acquisitions impacting their strategy?
These acquisitions are part of Teledyne's strategic focus on expanding their capabilities in high-growth areas like defense and digital imaging. Additionally, they repurchased $400 million worth of stock, reflecting confidence in their financial health and future prospects.
Cash flow and financial position. Let's talk about cash flow. Teledyne reported $379 million in cash from operations for the fourth quarter. How does this position them financially?
Teledyne's strong cash flow, with $339.2 million in free cash flow, underscores their robust financial position. Their net debt stands at $2,123 million, with a leverage ratio of 1.4x, indicating a healthy balance sheet and ample financial flexibility for future investments.
What does this mean for their future growth?
With such financial strength, Teledyne is well-positioned to continue investing in strategic acquisitions and R&D, which are crucial for sustaining their growth trajectory and competitive edge.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Teledyne provided for 2026?
Teledyne has issued a GAAP EPS outlook for 2026 in the range of $19.76 to $20.22, and a non-GAAP EPS outlook of $23.45 to $23.85. For the first quarter of 2026, they expect non-GAAP EPS between $5.40 and $5.50. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth, particularly in defense and digital imaging sectors.
What are the key drivers for this optimistic outlook?
Their focus on high-demand areas like defense electronics and digital imaging, coupled with strategic acquisitions and strong cash flow, are expected to drive their performance. Additionally, their ability to maintain a strong balance sheet provides them with the flexibility to capitalize on growth opportunities.